time we are back with another video. Oh, I just bought a new dirt bike at a junkyard. 20 bucks. 20 bucks for this. Little RM80. Middle of the road. I'm gonna pull home in a shopping cart. Me and Young Boy. We gotta go to the Satellite Bridge. I'll talk to you when I get home with it. We're gonna find something to do with it. Well, dirt bike, 20 bucks. Look at that little beast.
Oh boy, I got dirt bike!
In a shopping cart. Look at that. This is great. Oh, yeah, one grip. Look at the frame. Freaking half a frame.
$20!
What's that?
Shopping cart, I'm taking dirt bike.
Way, buddy. There's the other car, the Cutlass I always talk about. Be fixed one day on the road, looking nice and better. So now, what's up, guys? We are back with another videos, one more time and all that. Oh, I brought all that back. Oh my God. I didn't say that. You didn't hear that. But I'm walking. What in the world? My bike's at work, my car ran out of gas. I walked to the gas station. And I left my camera home, but I bought a new vlog setup, a GoPro. So I've been hearing a lot of views saying GoPro's best to vlog with, this and that. So I wanted to try it out. So I made this little setup. And I want to get a mic and everything for it too, but I didn't do that. But for now, I just have this. And every time I try to use it, the damn thing dies. Every time. Like right now. I put a not brand new battery, but full battery, left the house, came outside, I went to go record, and it's dead. Why is it dying so fast? Like I wasn't on. I don't believe it was on. I didn't leave it on. It's every time. That's why I've been slacking on my vlogs, because I don't want to record on my phone, but I do got the 11 Max Pro, so it's good. Like, look how clear it is right now. But that's wasting storage for my phone. I don't want to do that. But right now, I walk to the gas station. Whew. My arm hurts. I haven't vlogged a couple of days. It's hard holding the phone up. But let me get to the gas station and I'll talk to you when I get to the gas station. Alrighty. So I had to make a pit stop. You know I couldn't go past Dunkin' Donuts and not get my coffee and strawberry donut. Perfect. Let me wait for my food. I gotta start taking cheese and I have an iced coffee. And then after that, that's me. I'm gonna get my food. Alrighty, we got the gas, walking back home now. We gotta put some gas in the Monte Carlo and drive back to the gas station and fill it up. Fill it all up, you know? Damn, stepped it up. Alright, what I gotta say too, I kinda got burnt. I just paid. Guess how much I paid for this? Guess. Comment down below and try to figure out what I paid. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I paid $18 for this biatch. They just burnt me. I got a hole in my back pocket right now. I can feel it. It's ridiculous. $18 for this little gas tank. Could have went to Five Below and got one of them. But I'm not gonna complain. Gonna get my car up, and I can keep it. I am keeping this one in my backyard. All my other ones got robbed. We made it back to the sweet old Monte Carlo. I have to pop the hood, put some gas in the carburetor. Ready, so take this bad boy off. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, quick one. Alrighty. Now he's got to pour some gas inside here. So get it. Actually, I'm gonna put gas in the back first. Then I'm gonna put some in there. You already know. Filling it up. Smell it? I smell it. Perfect. Got it running. Get it go. Woo. Put this back. Let's tell you, put this back on. It's gonna rain stuff. Well, it's been raining all day, but it's gonna rain more. Good. Yeah, look at that. Smoking like an old two smoker. Shut there. Wow, done. You can put this. There's some more in here. Let's put it in the car. Look at that. Woo! Whoa! Two smoker or what? Alright, here we go. What are we looking at? Jeez, we're still there. We gonna make it to the gas station though. We gonna make it. We gonna make it. Let me get to go in there. Talk to you and get to the gas station. I'm not trying to break down again. That was a walk, and now it's really raining. Earlier it was raining, but now it's raining even again. Even again, if that even makes sense. Raining even more now. Alrighty.